So what you can also do inside of Qwen now is generate out CVs for you. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say I am a graduate as a motion graphics animator. Make a CV for me because I am applying for an internship. So if I were to go ahead and do this right here, then what happens is that you can see that this is what you have. So it's certainly below is a professional and well-structured CV tailored for graduate motion graphics animator applying for internship. So you can see that this is these are the placeholders that it actually gives you. So it tells you to give your full name, your address, city, state, and so forth right here. So you can simply go ahead and copy and paste this onto a Word document right here and make the changes. If you give more information right here, then it'll actually go ahead and then simply custom tailor the CV for you, our curriculum vitae. So you can see that it lists out the objective right here: highly motivated and creative motion graphics animator with strong foundation in design principle, animation technique. And you got the education right here, just like this. You got the skill, experience right here, and then internship, and then student project, as you can see right here, and so forth, just like this. And this is simply how you can go ahead and generate out your CV using Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.